The last place we are going to visit on the tour is Clearwater, Florida. The threat to Clearwater is the greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases are causing issues for the city and involves a lot of the same issues that the other places that were on the tour have. Clearwater is experiencing rising sea levels, temperature hikes, water pollution, and invasive species, and much more. As of now, Florida is experiencing 25 dangerous heat days per year, and by the year 2050, Florida will experience 130 dangerous heat days a year. Clearwater and the rest of the state of Florida is vulnerable to extreme temperature increases. The reason why that they are vulnerable is because the heat could kill some of the native species that are native to Florida, whether they live on the land or in the water. Some species are unable to adapt because of the heat. The heat also could put many species in heat distress that are used for agricultural purposes. The impact on the community that high heat or temperatures could bring loss of jobs in agriculture and fishing. Another impact is that if there are days where it is too dangerous for people to go outside because of the heat, Clearwater and other areas of Florida will lose tourism that is a flow of cash. The solutions that Clearwater is trying to do is turning the city into a green city. Other major cities are also trying to do this as well. In turning the cities into green cities, the state and the city is making and inventorying sustainability initiatives to try to limit the amount of emissions that are being produced in the area.